Dem don confirm say one student don die for the bandit attack wey happen for Kaduna Polytechnic. Dis school wey dey call am Nuhu Bameli Polytechnic. Na there dis kind thing happen. They talk say no be only even this person na im die. Say they also adopt 2 lecturers and 8 students and they carry go. See this kind thing wey dey happen for school. That means school sef no even dey safe now. This boy wey die, they talk say im name na Ahmed Muhammadu. Na the State Commissioner of Ministry of International Security and Home Affairs. Na him talk this one. This man name na Samuel Aruwan. Him talk say this bandits come this school, that is they move through the staff quarters. Now there they use to enter inside this place. So I come dey wonder when they pass gates. So they can't even come reach these staff quarters. They no suspect them. They no even notice them. Say, but as they enter inside these staff quarters, before they go see, they just start to shoot everywhere. Now there people start to run. Every student start to run. Now there this gun go meet 2 students. So no be even 1 person safe. Now they go on touch now 2, but now only 1 person. 9 don't die. Say the second person safe where this gun meet in name na Haruna Isiaka Dunia. Now be this one name. Say and immediately when this thing happen, now they rush them go hospital. Say the 2 of them just they receive treatment before they go here. Like the next day, now they hear say Ahmed don't die. And as it be like this other one self still there for there. Instead they receive treatment. I when they wonder now, wow, since when school self, university school don't even turn to having a polytechnic, don't turn to kidnapping ground. That means school no dey secure though. School no dey secured at all. If they go fit carry a whole lecturers, carry 8 students, and I sure say now because say this one self they go sabi run. Now make they no even to see people carry. And now they hear that they carry 200 people, 300 people. But this one I sure say because they be adult, everybody go sabi find their square root, run go where they won't go hide. Now make this thing no even too plenty like this. Now the governor of Kaduna State don't talk. This one wey name na Nasir El-Rufai don't talk say in they give condolence to this boy family. Say this thing will happen. It really pain am because of say waiting. This thing na school. This thing for happen. He say na for road now we go talk say maybe these people they go somewhere and they carry them. This one now these people enter inside this school and in they pray say this other one say where they for hospital. Where name na Haruna saying they pray say make this boy well because you know all this kind of matter as it be like this now. Everybody go put them for head say now government now kill these people. In which this one now no be government even do anything. Now bandits wey enter school now cause all this kind of thing. Now government don't talk say and they don't they plan to do security assessment and interfacing with the school management. Which kind of Oyinbo be this one? Which kind of English be this? When I go bring law say maybe make the school even stop for now. Make people go back to their house. And not just they endanger students' life. Pikin go there for a house. He pay that make this pikin come there for school. You know go know wetin what happen. They go just come carry pikin kill am. This one we don't die now. Wetin I want tell him family. Wetin I want tell him parent because if he be say this boy they even hide from this gun, but no how as he take do am, this gun still come meet am for where in dey. So how in one country explain this kind of thing? Things they happen, but as it shock me, if you know even today, now I don't hear say students don't come outside, they protest. Say make they close down this school. For now, as these bad things they happen for this day, at least make school day on break, make everybody go in house. No be say students they happy say no school, no be that one be the matter. People they die, make nothing that one first say. People where they die, they get family, they got people where go mourn them. And people no want make their family they cry for house. So make the cuckoo go their house, go rest. It go better than make people there school say that they learn. What is that they even learn? And this whole thing, this protest, it not even too serious. Because I shall say because Buhari na northern person. If say na one Igbo president na did, I shall say the whole Hausa people go don't come outside, they shout say, may they do this one, may they close down this school. But because of this kind of smart thing what happen, we hear say and the students, so not only the students come outside, they don't come outside, they protect, say, make this thing stop. And Buhari we talk say he want teach people in the language where they understand. Make him teach them these bandits in the language where they understand. All of them be fellow Hausa people. Use your language, communicate with them. This thing don't they over too much. This one now inside university and polytechnic now don't they enter. So now in a go enter market now they carry people. This matter the tire person, people don't they vex. People they vex. Me I don't have make they close down these schools. Make everybody go sit down for house. If now pepper the person when they say they make money, make they do them. Because what thing they even learn. Last all these people where they even go this Hausa school safe. I be all these university. Most of them they go end up, especially their ladies. They will go marry. I be they go turn to headsmen. They will go they pursue cattle, they pursue cow up and down. So it better make they go rest for now. If you find solution to these things, then make students come out. I be go put security for them in these schools. this matter don dey too much oh, e don dey vex me, don dey vex people for Nigeria. They don dey over complain and they cry. Say make una find something do about this matter. Now so I bring this matter, and so I hear them, and so I bring them for una. Anything wey una feel about this whole matter, make una write am for the comment section. And make una no come forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see una for our next video. Dem don arrest 17 students from Kano University of Science and Technology. Then these students, if you know wetin dem do, dem go dey harass one girl wey just wear a habaya. This girl just dey go in peace. Now to dress decent don even turn problem. If you dress naked, na wahala. You dress decent sef, na problem. May na watch this video. When I don't see this video, see as this girl dey very decent, cover head or wear this cloth reach down, but still boys dey harass her. Wetin una even want all these men? Person cover body no naked, una come dey harass her. Wetin una want make she do? This one no dey for the matter say na the cloth wey she wear na im cause am. This one na the person dress responsible. Wetin come dey cause all this kind thing? When then these boys just dey behave like zoo children. You go there, person no fit just even comot normal, dress well comot. And this nut people sef e be like say one screw don comot from their brain. Because this place na university for God's sake. No be primary school, no be secondary school. University. Una come dey behave like say una be children wey dey for main road. This kind girl now, how una go want make she feel? If na una sister, how una go want make she feel? Person wey come out with the hopes of say, this abaya now all of us know say na even trend. To even buy this cloth now, e even cost. Person come wear her thing, cover head with hijab, dress appropriately, cover everywhere. Una come still dey harass her say, this cloth wey she good, wear, the cloth not too good. But we dey hear say the school management don do everything. They don arrest these guys. These 17 people, they don make sure say they put them inside prison. As now they see, they don't lock them. All of them come they cover face. As now they draw this girl clothes, on a no shame. Now they don't arrest her, now come they cover face. Waiting on they cover face for. This girl no naked. She dressed well. So waiting na they pull her cloth. On a one naked her. Now I go say a woman will no dress well and they disgrace for road and I go they pull their cloth. This one we can't dress well. What do we want talk? That means women know they safe for this country now. If you dress well, now wahala. You know dress well, now wahala. Who we want please for this country where we dey? That means we no fit please anybody now. We no fit please them these men. I been at them these boys. Because this one, their mentality now rubbish mentality. What did they do? No even make sense at all. Now rubbish. If girl no fit comot, dress well, now go still they misbehave for road. Make we kuku dey sit down for our house now because we no even dey safe for boys' hand now. If say people no dey there now, una go put that cloth naked her. People dey there sef, una still dey draw her. Now wow, make men, I don't know, parents, men are they training our men well. All these boys where they go school now, it be like say their sense no dey correct as they go that school. Now another motive that they use they go school. Person go school say okay, I won't go school in peace. Una no go let the girl rest in peace. She dey there on her own, they walk her. Una say na cloth now. What did this cloth even do on? Net they the cloth they naked. No. What's in when they draw this cloth where she even wear for? I be never see person where wear abaya before. I be na the only jalami as she wear am now they shack on say this girl get money, she go buy abaya. As she get money, she buy her abaya now. You when no get money, you leave her. Make na no come they frustrate people children wey go school won't go learn. Una go carry on our own problem now come they frustrate the person. As a day like this, now they go stop this matter, making herself put mouth. The way then this student they harass this girl on a like him because this one an harassment. All these boys they even catch now. I don't know which penalty they won't give them. I don't know being a prison or being waiting because the sin, the offense self not too serious. But the way they react, the way they draw this girl, Now even they vex people for this video. Now make people they vex, they comment, say how girl would they dress well, and I go still they complain. So making a comment or anything way na think about this matter, making a comment, and making a not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel as we get new story for now. I go to see you now for our next story. Hey, people dey innovative. Una sabi create things. So if you see this kind thief, if you know the way where this guy they strategize this stealing, una go surprise. See the man now. See this guy go buy ghost uniform. If people they sleep for night, oga go come dress, wearing costume, enter people house, go they rob them. And if people see him like this now, so everybody go jackpa because they go think say they don't see ghost. Everybody go come run. Ha! People get sense. Where una they get this kind of sense from? Because if say this kind of sense, you don't do better thing now. They don't go catch you. You can't enter this place. They say now so this guy they do for people for Zimbabwe. He go enter person house, wear this cloth. Even this man face, he no even need this costume. In face alone, fit pursue person. And all these things they happen because of say waiting. Light no dey dey. Because if say light dey, if person enter wear this kind of costume, you for don't see the person now, but as everywhere dark, person una dey see the thing now, see the skeleton as e be. Even me say fear go catch me for night. If this kind of person appear while they sleep, shock go catch me now. Wetin I dey expect? Now so this guy they use stay rob. If he enter your house where you see say light no dey, everybody don't sleep. If he just enter, if you see only the white skeleton part, now so everybody halele, everybody don't run. Now only you go there inside. Oga go come thief everything where they inside this house. They don't come catch up. Make this kind of thing, make Nigerian people never hear them because now so they're gonna use they go the thief. Now this one a new strategy. This guy too get sense. In fact, I dey hail him, Oga, you do well, but this kind of thing is no good though. This kind of stuff they catch you now. See your face. You say if you sabi think well, this kind of thinking is good, but make we talk true. Stealing no good. As they don't catch you now, which kind of penalty they will even give you? Because the people where they will not be better things if you go the thief. Because now Zimbabwe, you know go pass Gary yam. What do you even use and do? You won't go to sell them for market. I be waiting what use and do. This kind of matter tire me making ourselves see making a call this person for me. Oga, this your technique, It's too much. You too get sense. Where if I even see this kind of sense? People they do things so. See this guy just sit down, strategize, think and say, now where go you stay thief? And he make him. You know how many person this man go down thief from? Not be only one person, because people go there and attest to and say, this guy na better thief. But me as I dey look him, this guy everything na cruise. He just they use them to take survive. If hunger no day, you know they do these kind of things. All these things I they look and say, now hungry, now they catch them. As long as he no carry gun, come put for anybody head inside the house. He just use them pursue one. And if you say fear, but this kind of thing, no bring and come Nigeria or people they vex. If you do this kind of one, they go beat. They go beat. Blue and black come out from your body. No try and come Naija. But as you do one for there, as they don't catch you now, make it end for there. Make it end for there because this kind of play, now rough play. Nobody they like all this kind of people blood they hot. Nobody this kind of skeleton play now somebody will come they use content they vest for this kind of hot country where we did now. Now yeah, go leave this matter for now, making ourselves see comment. So this kind of way this guy do, it's too funny, I swear. If funny die, making I don't forget to like making a share, making a subscribe to this our channel as we get new story for now. I go to see you now for our next story.